How to create a TikTok account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. For that, you can either use your app or continue with your web application. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account using your web browser. At the top search bar, type in TikTok sign up and click onto the first link. Here you can either sign up using your phone number, email address, or your Google account. Choose anyone that you would like. At this page, select your birthday. Also be noted that you need to be 18 years or above to use a TikTok. Once done, tap on to next. Then select your username. Once done, tap on to sign up. And now let's go ahead and open up your profile. This is what it will look like. Also be noted that you have not created your TikTok account password yet. If you would like to log into your TikTok account, simply continue with your Google account and you will get logged into your account. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.